Hey friends, who's hungry? Perfectly seasoned and quick to cook, these Instant Pot collard greens are a delicious addition to any meal. Collard greens tend to have a lot of dirt and sand trapped in their leaves, so the first thing we need to do is wash them. I fill up my sink with cold water, then submerge the leaves and swish them around to loosen the dirt. If you have a small sink like I do, you may need to do this in batches. Just be sure to drain and refill the sink with clean water in between. Allow the leaves to soak for a few minutes to allow the dirt to settle to the bottom of the sink. Remove the outer stems from the larger leaves. The stems are bitter and don't taste very good. You can use a sharp knife to do this or simply pull the leaves away from the stem with your hands. After that's done, we need to chop the leaves into smaller pieces. I take a large bunch of leaves and roll them up into a tight bundle, then start chopping them into ribbons. Turn on the saute function on your Instant Pot, then set it to normal heat. Once hot, cook one diced 12-ounce package of salt pork. You can also use pork jowls, ham hocks, a ham bone, turkey legs, or bacon. Cook the salt pork for 3 to 5 minutes to render off some of the fat from the meat, then add 2 cups of cold water. Scrape up any bits of salt pork that have stuck to the bottom of the pot. Bring the water to a boil and simmer the salt pork for 5 minutes. Next, add half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Allow the liquid to come to a boil again. Add the greens a little at a time. You will need to allow the greens to wilt down to make room for more. Turn off the saute function, then secure and lock the lid onto the Instant Pot. Double check that the valve is closed, select manual function, and set the timer for 30 minutes. Afterwards, allow the pressure to release naturally. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.